Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to buy copper in Zerodha. To begin, you must have a commodity trading account enabled. Zerodha facilitates trading in copper futures, which are derivatives contracts. These contracts are primarily traded on the Multi-Commodity Exchange of India, often referred to as MCX. It is crucial to understand the specific contract details, such as lot size and expiry, before you proceed with any trade. Before you can trade, confirm your Zerodha account has the commodity segment enabled. This is a necessary step for accessing futures and options in commodities. Next, ensure your bank account is properly linked for easy fund transfers. You will need to maintain adequate margin in your trading account to cover your positions. Adding funds is straightforward, with options like UPI and net banking providing instant credit. Once your account is ready, log in to Zerodha's Kite platform. In the search bar, type Copper Futures to find available contracts. You will then select the specific contract month you wish to trade, such as the current month's expiry. Decide whether to place a market order for immediate execution or a limit order at a specific price. Finally, enter the quantity, which is usually in standard lot sizes, like 1 metric ton. It is vital to understand that copper futures contracts have a standard lot size, often 1 metric ton, representing 1,000 kilograms. Margin requirements, typically around 10 to 15% of the contract value, fluctuate with market volatility. Remember, commodity trading carries inherent risks due to price swings. To mitigate potential losses, always implement stop-loss orders, which automatically close your position at a predetermined price.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.